Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about this cat litter. Cats love a bit of luxury, and so a spongy litter tray just won't cut it, especially in today's modern homes. That is where the litter robot for smart self-cleaning cat litter tray steps in. It is designed for convenience, cleanliness, and failing comfort. This innovative unit transforms one of the most unpleasant pet chores into a hands-off, hygienic experience. You forget the days of manual scooping. The litter robot 4 automatically sifts out waste every time your cat does its business, giving you a perpetual clean litter bed while keeping a nasty odor sealed away. This is more than just a litter box. It is a smart device for cat lovers who value hygiene, automation, and a peace of mind. At the heart of its design is intelligent sifting mechanism that quietly and effectively separates waste from clean litter the moment after your cat exists. That waste is then neatly stored in a tightly sealed drawer, complete with a carbon filter to neutralize odors. You won't be hit with any eye-watering smells, even if the tray hasn't been empty in a few days. Plus, with Whisker's dedicated mobile app compatible with both iOS and Android, you can monitor everything from litter and waste levels to your cat's weight via smart scale. It is ideal for tracking your cat's well-being, especially in multi-cat household where small changes can easily go unnoticed. Speaking of multi-cats, the litter robot 4's multi-cat design accommodates up to 4 feline friends comfortably, making it a cost-effective and space-saving alternative to keeping several litter trays around the house. It also includes thoughtful touches like a fence and a step to minimize litter tracking, less cleanup for you, and a tidier space overall. QuietSift technology ensures the cleaning process is neatly silent, which is great for skittish or sensitive cats. Despite its advanced function, the unit remains compact with a footprint compatible to a standard litter tray, ideal for modern homes where space is at a premium. Another significant benefit of this equipment is efficiency. The clever sifting process reduces overall litter usage, and there is no need to commit to special litter brand. It works with clumping cat litter and even standard rubbish bag for the waste drawer. The litter robot 4 is mains powered, Wi-Fi connected, and comes with everything you need right out of the box, including a carbon filter, power cable, fence step, and user manual. It weighs 11 kilograms and measures. The height is 686, the width is 560, and diameter is 750 mm, and is available in sleek black color or classic white to match your home decor. The litter robot 4 is a game changer for cat owners who want a smarter, cleaner, and easy way to manage litter. It is especially recommended for busy households, multi-cat families, and those who prioritize hygiene and convenience. Whether you are tech-savvy or simply tired of scooping, this self-cleaning litter tray delivers a premium experience for both you and your feline companions. We help you to say goodbye to daily scooping and lingering smell, and this is the future of the litter care. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.